Okay, now that we're done with step 10, let us look at step number 11. It says that, okay, we need to insert a spark lines in the range H4 to H7 that compare the quarterly data. Do not include the totals. Show the sparklines markers and apply a style to the sparklines using the second style in the second row. Okay, so let's go back to our working document. This is the range where we are supposed to insert the sparklines. Just highlight the range, then click on insert. Okay, then search for lines. This is where you're going to get your sparklines. Click on that. Then once you are given these options, okay, highlight the data for all quarters. Okay, then it will tell you that the range is B4 to E7. Okay, so this is your B4, this is your E7. Okay, then click on H, or OK, I mean, sorry. Click on OK. They told you that you need to use the sparkline markers. These are the sparkline markers. Okay, just check this one here. Okay, after clicking or checking on, after checking on this one, you need to change the style. They told you second row, the second one. Okay, this is row 1, this is row 2. Just select this one. Okay, then you should be done with step number 11. Okay, are we done? Definitely. Okay, so we're done with step number 11.